Hello and welcome all. Nubia released the Red Magic 3S, the successor to the Red Magic 3 gaming smartphone. Now the Red Magic 3S has got some really cool improvements like industry first active liquid cooling and powerhouse specs, and since it is a gaming smartphone, it's got some innovative gamer centric features. So without keeping you waiting anymore, let's get started. In terms of design, there is not much difference between the Nubia Red Magic 3S and its predecessor, but there is one major difference and it's the air vent design. And there are few subtle changes and the oddly shaped hexagonal fingerprint reader. Now regarding the air vent design, I will get to that in the later part when I will be telling you about the processor, so for now let's move forward with the display. Up front we have the same 6.65-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate and 19.5:9 aspect ratio. This device supports DC dimming and its brightness reaches 430 nits. The Red Magic 3S boasts the latest flagship Snapdragon 855 Plus platform and super fast UFS 3.0 storage. And now let's get to the cooling system. Nubia boasts they managed to greatly improve the cooling system on the 3S with the combined liquid cooling tube and fan support. According to the company, this new combo should result in a noticeably better cooling management and can reduce the CPU core temperature by up to 18 degrees Celsius, which is just impressive. And since this is a gaming phone, you do get to enjoy some gaming related features such as touch sensitive shoulder triggers, which can be remapped in certain games. Now users can record in-game videos and share right in Game Space 2.1, organize and quick launch games, fine-tune performance settings and fan speeds, monitor temperature and usage stats in real time, and block notification for uninterrupted gaming in Game Space 2.1. This can be activated with an additional hardware switch. And how can I forget to mention the RGB lighting with several effects. Now that we have covered a lot about the gaming part, let's get to the rest of the specs. Regarding the cameras, there is a single 48MP f1.7 Sony IMX586 sensor and a LED flash. The phone is capable of shooting 8K video at 15 frames per second and slow-mo at 1920 frames per second, and on the front there is a 16MP sensor. To handle heavy games and processes, you definitely need a huge battery, and that is what this phone offers. The battery capacity remains at 5000 mAh with the same 27W fast charging support. In terms of RAM and storage option, this phone has got 8GB and 12GB option, and for storage it has 128GB and 256GB, and the best part is its UFS 3.0 storage. In terms of software, it has got the new Red Magic OS 2.1, which is still based on Android 9. However, it comes with a good system performance optimizations, new gaming centric themes, intelligent CPU GPU scheduling, Red Magic rendering system, and a special gaming mode. About pricing and launch date, the 8GB plus 128GB version is priced at 2,999 yuan, that is $430 or 30,000 Indian rupees. While the 12GB plus 256GB variant costs 3,799 yuan or $532 or 38,000 Indian rupees. This smartphone will officially hit the market on September 9th in China and globally in October. And that's about it. If you liked the video and want to support me, then subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Peace out.